Of course, you know why. All those bacteria gonna chop up your hair. I sound like a horror movie right now. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, my name is Rita and I am so thrilled to have you here today. If this is your first time on this channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe icon. Also hit the bell icon so that you are notified whenever I have a new video out. You can also check out my other videos and drop a comment, yeah. Okay, so this is officially my first video this year, and guys, I am so excited. Today I am going to be showing you a hair growth oil recipe. It is an update to the one I initially uploaded, so you can check out that video and then come back to this video so that you understand what I'm saying or what I'm doing. All right, so in the previous one I just got some good oils, mixed everything up together, and it works. I'm not gonna lie, it works. But since I have started using herbs in my hair and I've been seeing results, you know what I'm saying, I have switched. Okay, so I don't just like buy the oils. For instance, moringa oil, I don't just go out and buy moringa oil because I have no idea what, you know, the manufacturers or producers are putting into the oil when it comes to preservation and all of the beautiful stuff. So I just like to create mine in my own little way, of course. So I'm going to show you how to do that today so that you are clear of doubts and clear of skepticism of the content or the ingredients in the oil. So I know I have rambled a lot in the beginning, but basically I am going to be putting some herbs in my oil and I'm going to show you how to infuse good herbs into your oil. Basically, that's what I'm doing today. I'm going to be using two herbs, moringa and bringraj. For me, I have been using hibiscus hair oil, hibiscus and amla. So I want to switch up a little bit. You know, your hair gets used to whatever you put in it. Yeah, I am one of those who's saying that right now. Okay, so your hair does get used to whatever you put in it. So I like to switch things up a little bit. So the recipe I just finished using is hibiscus and amla. So now I'm going to use moringa and bringraj. I'm going to show you, okay, so I'm going to show you the process, how I do it, so that you at your own time can just sit down and create this oil yourself and you know, okay, it's good. I would also recommend that you should discard it after about 3 months, except you have put some sort of preservative in there. So you go do your research and find out what kind of preservative you want to put in your oil, okay? But the moment it starts to turn rancid, do not use it on your hair because, of course, you know why. All those bacteria gonna chop up your hair. I sound like a horror movie right now. Okay, so I'm going to stop talking too much and then I'll just show you the process. I am going to make a little quantity because I don't want it to last as long as 3 months. I'm just going to make just a little bit and then that's it. So if you want to see this update and this beautiful hair growth oil I am about to make, you know the drill. Stick around and go nowhere. But if you're yet to subscribe, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Also give this video a thumbs up. You know, if you're enjoying the content and you want to see stuff like this again, give this video a thumbs up. Drop your little comment. Of course, if you try this recipe, come back and tell me about it. And if there's something else you want to see, of course, put it in the comment section. Also check out my other videos. I'm going to put links in the description box. Show your girl some love, y'all. Show your girl some love because this year we have to hit over 10K subscribers. All right, guys, let me get straight into this video without further ado. Okay, guys, so I'm going to go ahead and put all my ingredients in this bowl. And first I'm using brain grass. You know, brain grass has a lot of vitamins, a lot of nutrients. Brain grass is great at promoting hair growth and keeping your scalp healthy as well. So I'm going to use a spoon of brain grass, or a little bit over a spoon of brain grass. Put that in my bowl, and then we'll move on to the next ingredients. Our next ingredient, of course, is moringa powder. Moringa is packed with vitamins and minerals. It is great at promoting scalp health, great at promoting hair growth and healthy hair. So if you don't have moringa as part of the things that you use on your hair, consider making it one of the ingredients. Okay, yeah, so moringa is beautiful for the hair, and of course I don't skip on that. So go ahead and add this ingredient, also 1 spoon of moringa. Mix that all up together, and then I put my oils. Now you can use any herb that you like, any herb that you want. You can put as many herbs as you want. It all depends on your taste and what you're looking for. Okay, so now I'm going to add some olive oil. If you want to watch a video where I talked extensively about the benefits of olive oil, check out my other videos. Yes, so olive oil and then some coconut oil. There is no specific ratio of oil to herbs that you should use, so I'm completely eyeballing. You can do that as well, or you can create a recipe of your own and have a ratio that you use. That's all fine, but I am just eyeballing. So olive oil, coconut oil. You can also use any kind of oil that you want. You can use avocado oil. You can use what else? Castor oil. It just depends on what you want, but make sure your oils are good standard. I don't even know what I'm saying right now. All right guys, so if you haven't subscribed to my channel, this will be the best time for you to subscribe to my channel. Also check out my other videos, drop your girl a comment, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, you know. Yeah, all right, moving on. So I'm going to be using a double boiler method today to infuse these herbs into the oil. So as soon as I'm done mixing this, I'll put this in a pot of water and then put it over the stove. Yeah, so I'm going to let this boil, and once it starts to boil, I'll leave it in for about 5 to 10 more minutes before I take it down. Okay, so exactly 10 minutes after we hit boiling point, I took down my oil, and voila, that's it. So you can go ahead and let this sit until it is cool before you strain. You can strain immediately if you like. What I did was I turned this completely with the herbs into a jar, and I just left it in there. So every time I need oil for my hair, I just go in and scoop the quantity that I need. And yeah, another thing is you can add your essential oils if you like. Basically you can tweak this to whatever you want it to be, and that's it. That is how to infuse herbs into oils using heat. Yeah, I hope you really try this out though, because it has really helped my hair and scalp. Aha. So that is it for this video, and thank you for sticking to the end, and I hope you actually try this recipe out. Some of the things you see on this channel, just go ahead and try it, okay? Do not just watch it and be entertained and then go away. No, take something out of it. Try it, come back with your feedback, come back with some comments, come back, you know, and just let me know how it goes, okay? Let me know how it goes. And if you have any questions you feel like I can answer for you, of course, I am good to go. You can hit me up on any of my social media platforms. Links in the description box, and of course I'll get right on in and I'll answer your questions if you have any questions for me. I think that's it. What else? Okay, I think that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really love you guys, and I appreciate the time that you take out to support your girl and watch her videos. That's me. And giving thumbs up, you know, in comments. I really appreciate it. I really love you guys so much. And hit the subscribe icon, hit the bell icon, give this video a thumbs up, check out my other videos, drop a girl a comment, come back again next week. And yeah. All right, so I'm gonna go now because I talk too much, but thank you so much for stopping by. I guess I'll see you all in my next video. Until then, I remember to off, and you remain colorfully blessed.